Let's take a look at a CR Onsrud Tech Series router, creating closet parts for Closets by Design, Orlando, Florida. Machine provided by Joe Flora with Progressive Machinery. Here, if you'll notice, we're going through the optimized drill cycle with a bore head. And this part of the boring, the reason we kind of zoomed in here, we're actually doing exit slowdown boring. If you're working with a lot of melamine materials, what exit slowdown boring will do is right before it finishes its boring, it will slow the drill cycle down and drill a lot slower, so that on melamine you don't have to worry about chip out on the back side. It makes a very clean joint, or clean bore, I guess I should say. Here we're doing a tool change. We're going to pick up a 20 millimeter bore bit and drill all the 20 millimeter ray fix fastener holes. And here we've lifted the dust cover up a little bit so you can see the actual 20 millimeter bit and how fast and efficient it works to drill the additional holes for the closets. And this is a pretty much fully used panel from start to finish, with all the drilling, the ray fix fasteners, the cutting of the parts, all those sort of things. This panel takes less than 6 minutes to machine, and that includes cleaning off the table. And that's a pretty amazing thing that you'll see here in a second. But again, this machine is provided and serviced in Orlando by Progressive Machinery and Joe Flora. Right now we're doing a tool change, selecting a 3/8 compression spiral to come in and cut out the remaining, or the pieces. But if you notice what the machine also did, the tools are in protected tool case, and so while all the cutting is going on, the tools are protected with a cover, and when it does a tool change, it goes and opens up the cover and makes the tool change. And as you can see here, we're doing the same type of optimization through AutoCabinets-RouterCAM software as we did for the drilling, meaning that we're not just jumping all over the table, cutting various pieces. We're doing a very organized cut pattern, which also helps really speed up the machine and optimizes the boring and drilling for the machine. So here we're just working our way across working our way down the x-axis and across the y-axis, optimizing the cut pattern. As you can see, we work our way down the table and across, so the head's not jumping all over the place. Now, as we finished our cut cycle, if you'll notice, the tool cover opens up. The Onsrud replaces the 3/8 inch compression spiral. The tools go back down, the cover comes back over, and now the CR Onsrud is going to use its pusher arm and clean off the table. This will speed up production quite a lot, by as much as maybe 50%, because now you don't have to stand there and pick off the pieces off the table. The machine has actually pushed all the pieces off the table, vacuumed the table, and returned to position, and is ready to have another sheet of melamine loaded onto the table, and you can continue working, or while the machine is cutting the next pieces, you can be labeling and edge banding these parts. Again, thank you for your time, for watching the video.